wanna let it. These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo. What it tastes like, yo. Oh my god, I'm recording. I didn't even know. When did I press the button? What's up, you guys? I am back with another video today. This video is going to be like something so special. Okay, so yeah, by the title, you guys can already tell that I will be introducing you guys to my lash line. By that I mean just showing you guys my lashes, and then I'm going to be trying them on for you all so you can, you know, get a good idea of what they're gonna look like on. In my collection, I do have some lashes for people like me. I do have lashes for people who are beginners and they don't really too much like wearing lashes like that, and they're not really used to it. So we're about to check it all out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're excited about them. If you're seeing this video, that means the lashes are about to go up in the next couple of days. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna announce it on Instagram, but pay attention to my Instagram if you're gonna be looking for as soon as they launch, because I'm not gonna make another video. Like literally, when this video goes up, you guys, I hope you have your wallets ready. Also, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the reasoning behind everything, because everything I do is for a reason. So I wanted to make sure everything I did with this lash line and this brand in general had a real meaning to me, and it meant something to me, and in the future I can look back on this and be like wow, that's crazy, like just how far I've come. So I'll be talking about all of that. And anyway, if you are interested in this lash line, then let's get into this video. I got a better setup, so y'all know I'm already lit. All right, you guys, so starting off, I'm just going to show you guys the packaging and talk about how did I come up with the name of my brand, because as you know, I go by Yes Taylor. My name is Taylor Long. I'm pretty sure I already changed it on my YouTube channel, but I thought, hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, sorry, I thought that I was going to brand myself as Yes Taylor for the rest of my life. I thought I was going to brand myself as Yes Taylor forever. I really thought my lashes were going to be like Yes Lashes, and like Yes Faces. Yes Faces, I guess, is still my makeup name, and Yes Taylor is still my name on Instagram, only because I cannot change my name on Instagram to anything more simpler, because everything else is taken. But I came up with the name The Good Brand because last year, honestly guys, I do everything like through my dreams. Like, I know that sounds weird, but everything I do pertaining to my business, like I dream about it. I'm pretty sure I dreamt that I got my lash license, like to do lash extensions, which is why I got it. Like, pretty sure I dreamt about this lash line a long time ago, probably in September, and that's when I was going with the Yes Lashes name, and I was coming up with a name for my lashes, but I hadn't even put anything into like work to go with the lash line. I dreamt about it, actually. I dreamt about the name of my brand. It was like, I guess in the future or something. Like, I'm not trying to sound too weird, but it was in the future, and I basically was having the anniversary of my brand. And yeah, I woke up out of my sleep, you guys, no lie. Woke up out of my sleep, wrote down what I dreamt about, and went right back to sleep. Now, that does not happen often. A lot of times I dream about so much stuff, you guys, like literally, but I never wake up. Like, I can never wake up and write it down. Like, I've written songs in my dreams, I've built buildings in my dreams, like I've done so many things, but I can never wake up and write it down. But for me to be able to wake up out of my sleep this time, write this down in my notes, and then just go right back to sleep, which is rare as well. I woke up and I knew that that was like what I wanted it to be, and that's just what I went with from there. So the name of my brand is obviously The Good Brand. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would know. If you do not, please do not pay attention to my nail, y'all. Oh my god, oh my god. So yeah, this is the packaging for my lashes. It's very simple. I didn't want to do the typical Mink lash packaging where you just open it up and it's like that. I wanted to do something different, so it's so simple. This is the packaging. They're gonna come like this in a little thing, and then your lashes are gonna slide out like that. So this is a pair of lashes. I'm gonna have the names on the screen because I'm gonna get into the names later, but I know what the names are, but I don't know off the top of my head, you guys, so sorry. But this is going to be a lash right here. This is a style. Obviously, these are, all the lashes I'm showing you guys are my personal lashes, which means I have worn them, so the band is going to be a little icky, like it has glue on the band because I have worn these, but I wanted to show you guys the ones I've worn because obviously, well, if you guys didn't know, with Mink lashes, they do come a little longer in length or width, I don't know, but usually you might have to trim the edges or whatever. I'm guessing, oh, I haven't worn all of these actually. Yeah, I haven't worn all of them. I have one pair that I haven't worn, but I have worn this pair. This is one of my favorites. I have two favorites, and I really messed up the other one, but whatever. This is one pair. So this is the packaging. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the packaging. I'm going to try on all these lashes for you guys so you guys can see. I don't know what the hell possessed me to do that, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, ugh, I don't want to do that. But I do want to do it because I do want to show you guys. So we're going to put on this first pair. These look a little bad. These do look a little dusty. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay guys, so this is a lash right here. Please do not look at this eye. Okay, so don't look at the glue in my eye on my contact, but this is a lash. It's not on all the way. It's kind of on, not as great as it should be, but here it is. Close my eye, close, open. This is one of my favorite lash styles. I feel like this is very everyday. Like, I just love these lashes. Like, I just can't even believe they're mine. I know I've said that before. I don't know if I ever posted that video. I can't even remember, but I just can't believe these are mine. You know, like, these are my lashes. It looks like this. I'm trying to cover up the number of them because I don't have, like, I don't feel like pulling out the ones that don't have the sticker on them, but looks like this. So we're just gonna, actually, I think I'm just gonna pop these on, y'all. This is the most tedious part of my makeup, and for me to think that I was just gonna breeze through this is insane. But like I said, I will have the lash styles on the screen. Fuck it, god damn it. All right, psych, y'all. But like I said, this is this lash right here. Right here. This one, to me, it's a little more, the similarities between this lash and the last lash I showed you guys is obviously going to be the outer part is flared out some more like winged out to give you more of a cat eye look. If that's the type of look you like, then that's the kind of lashes that you need to go for. Ones that are flared out and longer on the ends. Same thing with this lash. It is flared out on the end slightly, but it seems to be, this one is just a little more, what the fuck is the word I'm looking for? This is terrible. I don't know how to explain this, you guys. I'm really, really sorry. But they don't look the same to me. These obviously look different on. I really like these though. Do you guys like them? I will have the name of this lash on the screen. All the names of the lashes will be on the screen, because I do not know them off the top of my head. This lash right here, this is one of my favorites. Please excuse the way it looks in the packaging. Like, I think I fell asleep in them or something, so they are like a little messed up, if you guys can see. Can y'all see? Ugh. This is hands down my favorite lash. I can tell you right now, this lash name is 11. On Instagram that week I was doing a look. I was doing like a look every day. I think that was in March, probably end of March. I was doing the look every day. This was the lash that got the most votes on my story when I posted a picture of them. The first lash was this one that I took the poll for, and the second lash was this lash that I have on right now. This lash got like 82%, I think, of yeses, if I'm not mistaken. So this lash is pretty popular. This is the lash that you guys like. This is lash number 11. All my lashes, I wanted to do something different. I felt like it's kind of common for people to name their lashes just names or cities. I wanted to do something different, so my lashes are numbers. The names of my lashes are numbers. It's not names, and it's also Roman numerals. So on the site, I'll most likely just have it in parentheses what the real number is, and then the name is the Roman numerals. I did this because I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to do something that meant something. I didn't want to make my meanings obvious though, like. So the numbers, I came up with the numbers because I'm kind of into astrology. Not super duper heavy, but I do pay attention, and I do, you know, read up on it. I tend to know quite a bit about quite a few zodiacs. So let me take this off because I probably look crazy. So one thing, it's not necessarily hand in hand with astrology, but it does have to do with, like, I guess your birthdays and stuff, is life path numbers. And if you never heard of it, it's basically just a number that kind of just summarizes your personality and the way you act, the way you react, the way you treat people. They'll give you like very good professions for your life path number. Yeah, so my life path number is 9. I'm sorry, I'm lying. My life path number is 11. So these are my favorite lashes out of the bunch. So of course I gave myself these lashes with this life path number. Everybody, all the other numbers are going to be people in my lives life path numbers. They don't even know this actually, and I'm not even going to say who they are, but it's just people for other people that are very important to me. Yeah, and that have an impact on me. So surprise, my lashes are named after y'all, if y'all even watch this video. Next lash, how many did we do? We did, this is the fourth one, so we're on number 4. This is number 4. Ew. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is lash number 4. I did. Okay, so this is this lash right here. I feel like this lash, these last 2 lashes that I'm about to show you guys are the most everyday, non-dramatic lashes that I have. The first one, to me, is very everyday, non-dramatic. What it does, it is kind of wispy and it wings out, so it gives you more of a cat eye look. But these 2 literally are like, they're good in length, but they're not heavy. I'm looking at myself. If I'm looking over here, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and they just look very like, you know, subtle, natural. It doesn't look like it's too much going on your eyes. So I feel like these would be very, very good for work, or, you know, whatever you do during the day that you feel like you can't have on no big lashes for. So yeah, this is lash number whatever, but this is the 4th one I'm showing you guys right now. We got 1 more to do. I only have 5 lashes, you guys. Having too many lash options makes me nervous, but of course I am going to expand. Like, I'm already thinking about what I'm doing next. I'm already thinking about what I'm doing for my birthday, and my birthday's in November. So yeah, I'm gonna expand eventually, probably in the next couple months. I just want to see how this is gonna go. So moving on to lash number 5. This is lash, I'm tripping. This is the last lash I'm going to show you guys. My nails are really messing me up here, bro. Damn. Okay. So this is the lash I'm gonna show you all. Like I said in the beginning, a lot of times you have to cut your lashes, but honestly, I didn't have to cut any of these lashes that I have except for this first pair. And I actually messed up because I cut one side too short. So I didn't cut any more, and they all fit my eye. But obviously, if your eye is smaller than mine, just cut the ends off. Unless, why did I just blow it? Did y'all see that? Oh my god. I hope y'all saw that. I just blew it like it had some glue on it. What the hell? Okay, y'all, this is the last lash. The last lash. The last lash. The hell? This is the last lash that I'm showing you guys today. And this is one of the ones that I picked out to be an everyday lash, of course. To me, this is, y'all, this don't even feel like I got nothing on my eye right now. And it's also hanging off, which means it should really be uncomfortable, but it's not. So these are very, very everyday. Very, very everyday. These are so everyday. These are the lashes that are going to be named after my mother. Like, because she don't wear lashes at all. So I'm going to name these after my mom. And it'll be her life path number, whichever it is. I haven't looked it up yet. But, yeah. This is the last lash, you guys. Oh, so cute. Actually, I might wear these today. Yeah. Let's see. Alright, you guys, so that is it for the introduction to my lash line. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are excited and honestly genuinely interested in purchasing these lashes. As of right now, they're all going to be $13. Honestly, I didn't want to make mine that much. I feel like 13 is a good number. That number isn't necessarily special to me, so that is like one of the only things. I might change it because it doesn't mean nothing to me, but as of right now, they will all be $13 and then shipping. So once again, this is what they look like. I hope you guys really like them. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me know in my Instagram DMs. Follow me on Instagram. It is YesTaylor_. Follow me on Snapchat if you want. Yeah, if you like them, be sure to let me know, and let me know which ones you want to get, girl. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm coming out with another video. Also, you guys, I was thinking about doing a mukbang, whatever it's called. I've never done one, but I've watched maybe like 2, and I think I want to do one, but I want to put a twist to it. Not really a twist, but I want to make mine a Q&A mukbang, because it's going to be my first Q&A and my first mukbang. So if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know. I'm just waiting on y'all to ask me some good questions. I feel like don't nobody ask me shit, so I haven't done one yet. But if you guys want to see a Q&A, you guys can ask me whatever. I'm pretty much very open, but I'm very private at the same time. But anyway, so if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, this is how the shirt is made. This looks terrible. Oh my gosh. My shirt was fucked up the whole video. Wow. Just my motherfucking look. Alright, you guys. Seriously.